Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today my husband Alan and I are taking a trip along with our daughter, son-in-law, and our sweet little grandbaby. We're going to go stay at the Grand American Hotel in Salt Lake City, Utah. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Our daughter is going on a work trip to a Salt Lake City hotel, and my husband and I are going to go along with her, and we're going to watch our grandbaby. Our son-in-law is going to come later in the week for the festivities at the end of the week. Our daughter won an award while we were on this trip. We were super proud of her, and we were so excited to spend the time with our sweet little grandbaby. Here is our car outside the hotel, completely covered in snow. The hotel was so pretty, and the white lights outside at night were absolutely beautiful. This hotel was a 5-star hotel. It's right in the heart of downtown Salt Lake City. Look at the beautiful gardens outside in the courtyard. Let's take a tour inside the beautiful hotel with all of the wonderful chandeliers, woodwork that is absolutely stunning, and beautiful marble details and floors everywhere we turn. The views of the beautiful courtyard outside the windows were absolutely magnificent, day and night, especially with the beautiful snow. We took our sweet little grandbaby for a tour of the wonderful toy store. The restaurant and pastry shop were just wonderful. We enjoyed our meals so much, and the wonderful pastries at breakfast were so delicious. Our little baby granddaughter touched the snow outside on our balcony for the first time. Here is a tour of our suite. We have a king-size bed here with nightstands and lamps. And then we have a sitting area here and even a workstation. This cabinet holds the refrigerator. The furnishings in this suite are lovely. Beautiful curtains and coordinating wallpaper is so pretty. There is plenty of space to move around during our stay. We have a double door entry into the bathroom suite. There's a beautiful vanity and all the things we need to make our stay more comfortable. There are 2 more double doors entering the other portion of the bathroom. These doors have full-length mirrors on the inside. This portion of the bathroom is equipped with a very large soaking tub, glass shower, and another vanity. And of course, right off of this bathroom suite is the water closet. I am so happy you were here. We all had such a wonderful stay at the beautiful 5-star Grand American Hotel in Salt Lake City, Utah. The snow was so beautiful and we really enjoyed such a nice, quiet, relaxing, peaceful time. The restaurant and food were just delightful and we really were so happy and grateful and blessed that we were able to attend. I would be really happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.